Greetings, shivering denizens. Good morning, good evening, good whatever. So, I'm back after 3 years and dusting off some cobwebs and looking forward to our meditation sessions through the month of August. If you're new here, these meditations to help those in recovery from addiction as part of their Step 11. The normal format is a rapid intro like this, then a guided meditation for most of the video, and then I spend a couple of minutes giving my own interpretation of today's AA daily reflection. It makes me stop and think about this stuff for a little bit. So go and get comfy, and here we go. The meditation for today focuses on seeking inner peace, as this ties quite nicely with the daily reflection. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably, either in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or a cushion with your spine gently upright. If you prefer, lie down, letting your body rest fully. Close your eyes softly, or keep them slightly open, focusing on a point in front of you. Take a moment to settle into this space, giving yourself permission to pause and be present. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest gently rise, and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any rush or hurry. Inhale again, noticing the cool air entering your body, and exhale, releasing any tension in your shoulders or your mind. One more time, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with calm, and breathe out, softening into this moment. Bring your attention to the center of your chest, where your heart resides. Imagine a small, warm light glowing there, soft and steady, like a candle's flame. This light represents your inner peace, always present, even if it feels hidden at times. With each breath, let this light grow slightly brighter, spreading warmth through your chest, arms, and down to your fingertips. Now, picture this light carrying a gentle message of kindness to yourself. Silently say to yourself, "I am enough just as I am." Feel the words sink in like a soothing balm. If any doubts or judgment arise, acknowledge them without clinging, and let them drift away like clouds in a clear sky. Return to the phrase, "I am enough," letting it anchor you. As you breathe, imagine this warm light extending beyond you, reaching out to someone you care about. Picture their face and send them a silent wish for peace and happiness. Now, expand this wish to others in your life, friends, family, and even those you find challenging. Let the light of your compassion touch them all without judgment. Notice how this act of giving kindness feels in your body. Does your heart feel lighter? Does your breath feel easier? There is no right or wrong answer, or any wrong way to feel about this. You just observe it with curiosity. This sharing of love and peace is a gift, both to others and to yourself, connecting you to something greater. Now, imagine a gentle stream of water flowing around you, clear and calm. This stream carries away any remaining worries or heaviness, leaving you refreshed and serene. As you breathe in, feel the stream's coolness cleansing your mind. As you exhale, let it carry away anything you no longer need. Take a moment to rest in this quiet space. Feel the warmth of the light in your heart and the calm of the stream around you. You are held in this moment, whole and at peace. You can return to this meditation whenever you feel you need to reconnect with your inner light and share its warmth. You are kind and you are enough. We now move on to the interpretation of the daily reflection as part of this meditation. Yesterday, I was thinking that August was going to be a month of gearing us up mentally to talk about the scary Step 8 amends and approach them in the right way. Today's reflection is light and uplifting. The tagline of today's reflection is, "Our real purpose is to fit ourselves to be of maximum service to God and the people about us." It's a reflection about love, how our higher power expresses its will for us through love, how we are loved enough to begin the journey of recovery from whatever state we found ourselves in. The response to this love should be to spread it and to be of service to others and share the love that helped us into this journey. We must ask our higher power to help us imitate the love we feel. This service isn't about grand gestures, but about embodying love and compassion in everyday actions, mirroring the grace we've received. By striving to serve others through kindness, support, or leading by example, we fulfill a spiritual purpose, deepening our connection to a higher power and those around us. The reflection invites us to ask for guidance to live out this love, ensuring our actions reflect a commitment to selflessness and community. Please subscribe so you can be reminded to do this as part of your morning Step 11 routine each day. Keep coming back.